Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and create a product version on Gumroad. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Gumroad website right here, gumroad.com, if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by, from where we can get started with logging into your account. If you do not already have an account, just go and create one, and now we can get started with accessing all the sections we have right here for managing our store. So let's go and follow this article right here on how to add a version to one of our products. So we're going to go to your products tab and click, then go ahead and scroll down to the version section and click add version. So we're going to open up the products right here on the left side of the screen, click products, and then go ahead and select the product you want to go ahead and create a version for. I'm going to open up one of the products right here by clicking on it, and once you open up your product, now we can go ahead and scroll down. Here we have all our product info, additional details, and so on, and this is going to enable us to create versions. As you can see, once you scroll down, here we have the version section where we can offer variations of this product. You can speed in the deal for customers with different options for format, version, and so on. So if you want to add different colors for your shirts or something similar if you're selling, if you have different sizes and so on, all of that is going to be able to be put right here by clicking the add version option. Is going to enable you to name the version, description, and so on, and once you click add, it's going to apply it, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.